nvidia. This company is the undisputed heavyweight champion of the foundational graphics market, designing the core silicon chips that power a massive portion of the world's computers. Founded in 1993, they originally focused on making three-dimensional graphics smoother for early computer gaming, a niche that rapidly expanded over the decades. What truly sets them apart today is their absolute dominance in software ecosystems and artificial intelligence. They do not just build the hardware, they created a proprietary software language called CUDA that entire industries rely on for machine learning, scientific research, and professional video rendering. While they do manufacture their own premium reference cards, their primary business involves designing the raw processors and licensing that incredibly powerful technology to other brands who build the final physical products that end up on store shelves. AMD, standing for Advanced Micro Devices, this historic company serves as the primary, highly competitive alternative to nvidia in the core graphics processor space. They entered the graphics market forcefully after acquiring ADI Technologies in 2006, bringing decades of visual rendering expertise under their broader computing umbrella. What makes them distinctly different is their overarching philosophy of offering a better balance between price and pure rasterization performance, often delivering exceptional raw gaming power at a lower cost than their main rival. They are deeply integrated into the console gaming market, providing the custom silicon that runs both the PlayStation and Xbox ecosystems, while they occasionally lag slightly behind in ultra-high-end features like advanced ray tracing or complex artificial intelligence upscaling. They remain deeply beloved by budget-conscious builders and pure gaming purists who prioritize high frame rates without paying premium brand taxes. Intel, known primarily as the undisputed king of standard computer processors for decades, this massive tech giant is the newest, serious contender in the dedicated graphics card arena. They spent years providing basic, low-power integrated graphics built directly into their standard processors before finally launching their standalone Arc series in the early 2020s. Their entry drastically shook up a stagnant market that had been essentially a two-horse race for over 20 years. What makes their approach unique is their aggressive focus on modern video encoding technologies and remarkably competitive pricing for the mid-range computing segment. Although they faced significant growing pains with early software driver issues, their sheer corporate size, massive manufacturing capabilities, and relentless software updates have quickly turned them into a highly viable, deeply disruptive third option for consumers looking for solid performance without breaking the bank. Asus. Moving into the board partner category, this massive Taiwanese manufacturer takes the raw silicon chips from nvidia or AMD and builds the final, physical graphics card that consumers actually purchase. They are widely recognized as one of the most premium, high-end brands in the entire personal computer hardware ecosystem. Their Republic of Gamers product line is famous for pushing clock speeds to the absolute limit straight out of the box, utilizing massively over-engineered cooling systems featuring huge metal heatsinks and multiple high-performance fans. This dedication to extreme cooling and premium materials generally makes their cards run significantly quieter and faster than standard baseline models. However, this reputation for premium build quality and flashy, customizable aesthetics also means their products consistently carry a noticeable price premium compared to almost every other manufacturer on the market. MSI. MicroStar International is another global heavyweight in the board partner space, offering a massive variety of graphics cards that cater to almost every conceivable budget and user requirement. They have built a rock-solid reputation around reliable, balanced performance, largely driven by their incredibly popular twin Frozr cooling technology. Unlike brands that focus exclusively on the ultra-premium tier, they excel at creating the perfect middle ground, offering cards that run exceptionally cool and quiet without completely devastating a buyer's wallet. They are also universally known within the computing community for developing Afterburner, a free piece of software that has become the absolute industry standard tool for monitoring graphics card temperatures and safely tweaking performance settings, regardless of which physical brand of card a consumer actually happens to have installed inside their computer case. Gigabyte. This manufacturer is widely considered one of the big three board partners, alongside Asus and MSI, producing a massive volume of graphics cards every single year. They are highly regarded for their practical, no-nonsense approach to hardware design, prioritizing raw functionality and solid cooling performance over overly flashy aesthetics or unnecessary premium gimmicks. Their WindForce cooling designs, which cleverly spin adjacent fans in opposite directions to reduce air turbulence and increase pressure, are highly effective at keeping powerful chips from overheating during intense workloads. They frequently offer some of the most competitively priced models in the mid to high tier market segment, making them a very popular choice for practical system builders who want dependable, long-lasting performance and excellent temperature control without paying extra for aggressive gamer-centric styling or massive amounts of customizable lighting. Sapphire. Unlike the larger manufacturers who produce cards for multiple different silicon designers, this company operates as an exclusive board partner specifically dedicated to AMD graphics chips. Based in Hong Kong, they have spent over 2 decades mastering the exact thermal and electrical requirements of the AMD architecture. This intense specialization allows them to consistently produce what many reviewers and consumers consider to be the absolute best performing and highest quality AMD cards available anywhere. Their Nitro and Pulse product lines are legendary within the system building community for featuring incredibly robust power delivery systems and near-silent cooling solutions. Because they do not split their engineering resources across competing chip makers, they often work closer with AMD during the development process, resulting in highly optimized hardware that squeezes every last drop of performance out of the silicon. Power Color. Operating as another highly respected, exclusive partner for AMD processors, this brand has carved out a fierce reputation by catering directly to hardware enthusiasts who demand maximum performance. They are best known for their aggressive Red Devil product line, which consistently features some of the largest, heaviest, and most thermally capable heat sinks available on the consumer market. This extreme focus on over-engineered cooling allows their cards to maintain incredibly high boost clock speeds for extended periods without slowing down due to heat buildup. They completely embrace a bold, dark, and heavy industrial design language that appeals strongly to a specific demographic of dedicated gamers. While they might not have the massive global marketing presence of the big three manufacturers, their unwavering dedication to pure, unthrottled performance has earned them a highly loyal, deeply passionate following. Zotac. This company operates primarily as an exclusive partner for nvidia, carving out a highly specific niche in the crowded graphics market by focusing heavily on compact designs and excellent value. While they do produce large, high-end models, they are most famous for their mini-series, which specifically engineers powerful graphics chips onto remarkably small circuit boards. This unique focus makes them the absolute go-to brand for consumers trying to build small form-factor computers that can easily fit into a cramped living room entertainment center or a tiny desk space. Furthermore, they generally price their standard-sized cards slightly below the premium competitors, offering an incredibly attractive entry point for gamers who want access to high-end features like ray tracing and advanced upscaling, without paying the heavy brand taxes associated with the larger, more established manufacturers. PNY. While many modern board partners heavily lean into aggressive, colorful designs meant for teenagers and gaming enthusiasts, this American company takes a starkly different, highly professional approach. They manufacture consumer NVIDIA cards with a distinct focus on sleek, minimalist aesthetics, often avoiding bright flashing lights and aggressive angles entirely. This clean, understated design language makes their products highly appealing to adult professionals, video editors, and three-dimensional artists who want powerful graphics processing inside a quiet, professional-looking workstation. Beyond their standard consumer line, they hold a highly unique position as the primary authorized manufacturer for incredibly expensive, enterprise-grade professional graphics cards used by massive animation studios, scientific laboratories, and artificial intelligence researchers. This deep, trusted relationship in the professional sector translates to incredibly stable, highly reliable consumer products that prioritize longevity and consistent performance over flashy marketing.